It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And we are at Montera, y'all, in Fate, Texas. Sorry about those coverings. We're going through a little freeze here, so they're trying to protect the landscaping. But it's beautiful as always. And we are in, y'all. We are so in. It's not even funny how in we are. Holy cow. All right, and there's the sales rep. And right there we got your office and spiral staircase, modern lighting fixtures. And y'all, this plan starts at about $933 is the starting price on this type of home. But you can get other plans that start at about $560. So it really just depends what plan you go with. Look at this. Wine cellar, wet bar, my favorite. Soaring ceilings. Triple stacked windows. You don't see that every day. There we go. And open concept kitchen. Under cabinet lighting. Under lower cabinet lighting. I'm a big fan of that, as y'all know. Great kitchen island. Gas grill. Love that. So a little look here for y'all. And let's come over here. Take another look. Just want y'all to really soak this in. It's a beautiful floor plan. Shout out to Grand Homes. They did a very, very nice job with this model. And you got your ceiling, 2-floor fireplace. And as y'all can see out there, there's a big covered patio. And you got your balcony. For your kids, you can yell down, "Dinner time." No excuses, kids. You can hear that from there. Especially an open way. And we got a master bedroom. Love it. Light hanging from that garden tub. Luxurious feel. And we got the stand-up shower. And we got a walk-in master closet, y'all. And that goes into the laundry room. But it's obviously just a storage area for now. But you got your double vanity. I just want y'all to get another look at this. Beautiful. And let's come back out here to the master bedroom. And back out here to the living area, den. Soaking in a little more, y'all. And this neighborhood is Montera. And the floor plan is Grand Montera 2. So there's two different ones. And let's head upstairs. And the approximate square footage of this one, just so y'all can get a feel, is about 4,316 square feet. There is your game room area. Looks like he's got two little game room areas, and it's got the media room over here, which we'll see in a second. Look at this, y'all. Now that is interior design to its finest. Kind of want to grab a bottle right now, pop it open. Here we go. Here's your gaming area for all those gamers. Shout out to the Fortnite players. You guys would have a field day over there. Soaring ceilings. Modern lighting fixtures. Awesome, awesome. And let's go over here. You got two bedrooms. Good sized bedrooms, as always. Full bath. And you got the backsplash tile all the way up to the ceiling, which is huge. Nice vanity. Look at this bedroom. And it's got its own ensuite. Look at that. A little extra right there. Okay, so it looks like this one shares a bathroom. Okay. So another good sized bedroom. But I guess that one could use that bathroom or this bathroom. Really your preference on what you want to do. And another look. Those bay windows are amazing, guys. Love those. And let's head back down to the lower floor. And just getting a nice sight for y'all again. If y'all haven't already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and a like if you haven't already, to inform everyone on the great Texas real estate market. Would really appreciate your subscription to this channel. It's free, by the way, as always. And trying to get this door open right here. Here we go. And we will head out to the backyard. This is a greenbelt right now area. There probably may build on it, so not fully a greenbelt. Really don't know what's going on there. But it's a huge backyard, y'all. You can easily fit a pool if you wanted to. Most of these lots are huge where you could definitely fit a pool and outdoor living area. And I want to thank y'all for tuning in to this week's property tour brought to you by Grand Homes. And I will see y'all on the next one.